Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I have got December's edition of Pink Parcel. So this is what it looks like, and I haven't opened it up yet, so let's do it. Can't remember any spoilers, except we had an email recently saying that they were exchanging two products for two products, and one of them I don't like, unfortunately. I'll tell you as the video goes along. So this is what it looks like. Whoops, take away the leaflets, and that's what it looks like there. So if you're new to Pink Parcel, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is, but if you've seen it all before, I'll add a timestamp down below, so you're free to flick forward to seeing the actual contents inside this box. Excuse me. So, Pink Parcel is a monthly beauty subscription box with a difference. It is a period box, so it's a predominantly a woman's box. Inside contains all your sanitary protection that you need for the month, which includes either pads or tampons, or pads and tampons mixed. You get to choose the date you'd like it sent out to you, and you get to choose the actual brand you'd like to send out to you as well. So, and these things can be changed anytime you want. So, you know, our periods change all the time, so we can change things up a bit. So as well as all the sanitary protection, we get a beauty box, and inside contains 7 items, 5 beauty items, 1 sweet treat, and 1 tea bag or a coffee sachet or something like that, a drink anyways. The box costs £12.99, but because I've been subscribed to Pink Parcel for over a year, nearly over 18 months possibly, I'm still on the original payment, so I pay £10.50 a month. Pink Parcel haven't been the greatest, I've got to be honest. For the last couple of months they've been late. This actual box is 13 days late. The money came out the end of November, I think it was around the 26th or 27th of November. Normally I get my box around the 1st. Don't really know what is going on. Some people were told that it was due to Royal Mail, but also we had an email saying that the company has changed over to a different company. It's still the same company, but it's been owned by someone else. It's a long story. I've only just glanced at the email, so I don't really know the ins and outs of it, but I do know a heck of a lot of you are really disappointed in Pink Parcel, and it's such a shame because there's not many subscription boxes out there catered for your periods in the UK, which is a pain. Because the value is so good, you know, the value is so good. Now I believe they started shipping internationally as well, so I will link everything I know about this box, including links to the website, and I've got a refer a friend code for £3 off your first box. I'll link all that down below, so click on the show more, that subscription, and everything will be down there. So yeah, on to this box then. So as you saw, we've got a few different compartments here. So in here is the beauty box, which I'll get to in a little while, and then in here is nighttime, so I'll just open them up and show you quickly. So I've opted for pads, so I have got 5 nighttime pads there, some nice big pads. And in the for later box I have got a mix of pads and tampons. I have got 7 tampons and 7 pads, and then we always get a little pouch, so which is really handy to pop like in your handbag. But in here I've got a mix of panty liners, and I've got some extra tampons here as well. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, I've got 4 there, and I've got 1, 2, 3, and I've got 5 panty liners there. So let's open the For You box, which is the treat box. I'll show you first. Can't see much. There. Can you see there? I'll just put this to the side of me, grab an item, show you, and refer to the little leaflet that I picked out at the start, as it has all the information in there. So this is the December Treat Yourself edit. I hope it's a good one. I hope it's a good one. So what's it saying here? In December's Treat Yourself edit, worth over £45, we're featuring not 1 but 2 must-have lip crayons from Lord & Berry in an exclusive shade that you won't find anywhere else. Keep 1 in your party clutch and give the other to someone special. They'll also get an exclusive sign-up offer for their very own Pink Parcel. That's the beauty of giving. Hey, hold on a minute. It says that a friend will get an exclusive sign-up offer, but there's no information about it unless I'm not reading it properly. But if there is an exclusive sign-up offer that I can find besides my £3 off, I will link that down below as well. So this information booklet tells you everything about the products, tells you the size, tells you the recommended retail price, and yeah, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. So the first item is the candy kittens. Now we've had this loads of times. Fortunately, I love candy kittens, and it is one of the items that was swapped. Apparently there were 2 items that are supposed to be in December's box, but for whatever reason they're not in our boxes this month, so they've swapped them for something else, and one of them is the candy kittens, and I think this is the watermelon. So these are sour watermelon. Both me and my daughter absolutely love these. So what's the information say? I think this is like a mini pack you can buy for £1. That's how many times we've had them in different boxes. Oh, there's no information about it whatsoever. Okay. Oh, no. It must have been a last minute thing because there's no information about it, but it does tell you about what you could have had. A buttermilk gingerbread crumbly fudge. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. Never mind, but I'm sure this is £1 from memory anyway. Oh, so that's our first item. Our next item, yeah, it's the Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. So this is the second item that was swapped. So there's not going to be any information in this booklet about it, but we have had it before. I personally don't like it. We've had it a few times and I just don't like it. I just don't find that it works well on my skin whatsoever, so I'll be putting that into a future giveaway. But what size is that? 30 mils. So yeah, so no information about that unfortunately. And we've got the Beauty of Giving Pink Parcel. Oh, right, okay. This is the one for your friend. It says free pink parcel with code PPGIFT. Was I supposed to say that on social media? If you want a free pink parcel, type in PP gift. It might work for you, I'm not sure. So I'm supposed to be giving this to a friend and they can have a free box. So there should be another one in here. Yeah, exactly the same colour. Oh, the colour's really nice actually. So I'll pop this back in there. No point me having 2 anyway. But this is Here and Now. So that's Lord and Berry pencil. And let's see the colour. It's really nice colour. Really vibrant sort of reddy colour, matte. So no, I really like that. I like that. I love crayons, pencil crayons, lipstick crayons. I do really like, and I do like Lord and Berry as well. So have we got information here? Yes, we do. So the recommended retail price for this is £15. Apply the creamy, long-lasting formula to create the statement lip for the festive season. Sunset Red was a big hit on the Autumn/Winter 18 catwalks, and the easy-to-wear shade looks gorgeous on all skin tones. So no, I'm chuffed to that. We've got a Manna Beauty Simplified Glow Illuminator, and this is 20 mils. I think we've had this before in a glossy box, and it's quite nice. It's like a pinky sort of illuminator. I remember before I mixed it in with my foundation in the summertime, just to give a little bit of a glow, and I just tended to put it more on the the outskirts of my face. Yeah, outskirts, you know what I mean. So yeah, so it's quite nice. I don't know what I've done with it. I might have given it away, or it might be in a different beauty box, that because I'm renovating my bedroom at the minute, everything is all over the place. But no, I do really like it. It's like a coral colour, I would say. So it's quite nice. So it says here that the price is £22 for 12 mils, but we've got 20 mil. So I'm not sure, is this worth like loads? I don't know. I'll find out anyway. Add radiance by mixing with foundation on the back of your hand or by applying directly to bare skin after moisturising. The sheer formula works with most skin tones and adds a natural looking luminous glow that's perfect for perking up dull, lacklustre winter skin. So not quite happy with that. Next we've got a Anatomicals. That's When I Fell for the Leader of the Hair Pack, Deep Conditioning Hair Pack. Now we've had this before as well. I've never tried this though. I think I gave it away. But no, I'll have a look at it. What's it say? What's it say on the back? It doesn't give me much information. So this is a full-size product and you can buy these for £1. After shampooing and towel drying your hair, apply the mask liberally from root to tip and then seal the deal by tying your hair up in a bun and covering with a shower cap. Put your feet up while the jojoba oil enriching formula brings life back to dry and damaged locks. So I don't know why I gave that away, because I love hair conditioning masks. Unless I haven't. Unless it's in my pile somewhere. I'm not sure. So next item, we've got a tea bag. So this is a Dilmah chocolate, turmeric, ginger and almond. Oh wow. So that's what that looks like there. So what's it say here? For a recommended retail price for a box of 20 of these would cost you £2.19. Not much of a tea drinker? Try this blend. With rich flavours of chocolate, almond and a touch of ginger, this is the perfect cuppa for when you're in the mood for something sweet and comforting, but have already overdone it on office treats. So no, I will give that a go. I do love herbal teas and things, so I'm quite happy with that. And then our last item is a cherry gel lip mask, and it's hydrate and moisturising. And this is what that looks like there. So we've had a lip mask this month in a glossy box, I think it was, but I've yet to use it, so I need to use it. But oh, lip cherry sounds gorgeous. So this is a full-size product, as you'd imagine, and the recommended retail price for this is £4.50. Remove the hydrogel mask from the tray and apply to clean dry lips. Leave for up to 20 minutes to instantly hydrate and moisturize your pout. This K-Beauty creation with mild cherry and violet extracts is perfect for prepping lips before lipstick application. No, that sounds really gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to have to try these, because I have seen people on Instagram with them on and they look hysterical. So no, I'm going to have to do a pamper session, I think. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. Yeah, I class you all as my friends, so go ahead. I'll link it down below as well though. So these are all the items. There seems to be loads, isn't there? But there's an extra lippy here to give to a friend. The items that we've got is a Lord & Berry lip crayon, which is gorgeous. I'm really happy about that. Then we've got a herbal tea. We've got some Candy Kitten sweets. We've got an Anatomicals hair mask, and we've got a lip mask, and we've got a Balance Me cleanser, and we've got a highlighter, like a liquid highlighter by Mana. Is it Manicadar? I'm not sure. Manicadar, it is Manicadar, it says at the back. So those are all the items for this month. Considering Pink Parcel is 13 days late, my period is now stopped. It went a few days ago, or nearly a week ago really. So fortunately I'm just going to have extra pads and tampons, which if I don't use, I tend to gather them all up and I send them off, and I send them in we get given now and again these envelopes that we pack in all our sanitary protection we don't need, and then they get sent off and given to charities. So I'll be doing that, so I won't be keeping them at home, stacking them up. So but unfortunately, you know, it's a waste, because I had to go out and buy some more. But the products are okay. For some reason, 2 of the planned items couldn't happen this month, so they've given us this Balance Me cleanser, which I don't like, and the Candy Kitten sweets, which I do like, so it's fine. But the rest of the items I'm quite pleased with. We have had some before. This hair mask we've had before. This highlighter, I'm not sure if we've had it in a Pink Parcel, but I've definitely had it before. So altogether, a good box. Not a wow box, but a good box. I think there's quite some nice things in there. So as always, I'd love to know what you think. Are you one of the ones that have had a really late Pink Parcel box this month? What are you going to do? Are you going to continue subscribing? Do you think that things might be changing, and then from like January onwards we should see an improvement with Pink Parcel? I really hope we do, because you know, I've been with them for nearly 2 years and it'd be a shame to have to cancel my subscription with them. But I'd love to know your thoughts, what you think of the products you've received this month as well, or if you don't receive Pink Parcel, what do you think of it? Do you think it's good value for money? So I'd love to hear all that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And yeah, I've got quite a few to come for the rest of December. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal.